What's good, YouTube? It's Stacks here, and I'm back to another video, man. As you can see by the title and thumbnail, we're gonna be unboxing the dang, I can't even say it right. The off-white crossbody logo bag, man, or the off-white logo crossbody. Yeah, we're gonna be unboxing the off-white bag, basically, man. So, without further ado, if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe down below if you're new, and comment road to 1K, because we are on the road to 1K, man. So follow my Instagram right here. Mention me on your story if you want me to spam your page. I'm starting something new. Mention me on your story. I will see it. My Instagram is right here, like right here. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and hit that follow button. Mention me on your story. I will follow you back, like your pictures, and I will repost you on my story. So then, let's get straight into this video. Anyways, y'all, I just went ahead and took like a little shower because, you know, it was getting late. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this. Is how it's packaged. As you can see, hold on. As you can see, it's in some off-white plastic wrap. It says off-white at the top. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, right there. It says off-white right there. It comes in a Ziploc bag, and then if you open this like these, it comes in a little off-white drawstring bag. So go ahead and open this up, and I'm gonna take it out for y'all and see what the bag is looking like. Wow, that's actually really good material. This is my first time like touching it and actually seeing it other than the pictures. So boom, you got, put that over there. You got this. It's a nice little off-white right here. Their new logo. So you know, this is actually some really nice material, bro. It's like some, like, I don't know if y'all can hear that. But yeah, it's like some really nice material. And this, how do you take this off? Oh, it also comes with the little off-white industrial, you know, the little industrial belt thing that is, you know, that they sell as a belt as well. How do you take this off though? I think it's taped on here. It is. I need to get a knife. I don't want to cut it though. But yeah, we're gonna be careful. Because last time I had a knife, it didn't go too well. Oh, so this is actually cardboard. No wonder you had to cut it. All right, so we done cut it. It's all, you know what I'm saying, loosened up. You see you got off-white industrial bag. Now let's see what's in the inside of this. That's why I know like this is real, cause like the material, all that, like everything's just, yeah. This little zipper thing is really high quality, bro. Like it's like, oh, and as you can see, it's got some, I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all can't. Anyway, it says off right here. Anyways, if you open the inside of the bag, you got like some packaging paper to keep the inside of the bag safe and things of that nature. It's a lot of it. Oh, the reason why I got this bag is because I have this little tripod right here that I'm not just gonna, for my phone, just in case I want to vlog and things like that. And I'm not just gonna have that like in my pocket. So I got like a little crossbody bag. And I was like, why not flex a little bit and get a designer crossbody bag? And Off-White is like my second favorite designer brand. Y'all are gonna see the first favorites very soon. But yeah, I gotta get some more of this paper out. Okay, now what comes in here is a whole bunch of these tags. It's Off-White tags like these. I'm pretty sure you can take them out. I'm gonna leave them in here. There's a whole bunch of tags. And what's this right here? Is this their little, actually I might take this out because yeah, it says Off-White, connect with your authentic product. This product, oh, and it has a code. Okay, I hope y'all couldn't see that. Should I take these tags out? Or do they automatically come out? They connected, yeah, they connected to the bag. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna take this out actually, because this is gonna get in the way. How do I take it out? Oh, like that. Okay, cool. Cool. So I can show y'all what's going on in the little thing. I don't want to mess this up already. I just got it. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, they have a whole lot of these off-white little things right here. I'm flipping it upside down. So the off-white tags. What does this say? Something about Virgil. Oh, rest in peace, Virgil, man. So we're gonna keep these tags. We're gonna keep them somewhere, just in case they try to say my bag fake. Anyways, oh yeah, we can just show them this. Yep, that's gonna be our proof. That's gonna be our little proof. So now, I'm gonna show you guys like how this bag looks on me and things of that nature. So I'm probably gonna put like some B-roll, cause you know this video is good production. It's good and it's edited. You know what I'm saying? I don't normally edit my videos, but for this I'm gonna have to edit. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this thing on, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking.
Yeah, get right with you. Get right with you. Swear my niggas get right with you. Pull up on that nigga, swear to God, and we gon' get him. How the fuck is that your fucking op, but you ain't hit him? Get right with him. Swear to God, my niggas get right with you. How the fuck you see your op, but you ain't fucking split him? How the fuck you...
And that's gonna do it for this video, man. If y'all guys did like this new video, you know, like I said, if you guys like this type of fashion type of videos, man, be sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe down below if you're new, comment road to 1K, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.